All right, hey guys, what's going on? My name is Michael, and welcome to a very special video. It's special for two reasons, because one, this is the first ever video that's going on this channel, and two, I can't think of the other reason. But so today, guys, we're doing a super easy install. We've got a cabin air filter and a intake air filter and just a screwdriver, and you guys are going to be able to do this at home in like 5 minutes, but it's going to save you a ton of money. I know for a fact the cabin air filter at a dealership is going to cost you like $90, and it's like a 5-minute install, and the part itself costs 30 bucks. So it's 110% worth it. If you have an E83 at home, or frankly any BMW, the process is really similar. You can save a ton of money by doing this. And yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna just hop straight into the video and we're gonna get this done. So to start off with, we got 3 clips here. This one is actually already undone. It's broken on my car. You can see if I twist it, it just comes back up. So no need to worry about that one. But if we come over here to this side of the car, we've got one more right here. And just it pops up like this. And this pops up like this. All right, and then you can pull this little cover up, and voila, there is your cabin air filter. And from that, you can just slide it out like that, and we can see already how dirty this is. You can see all the junk in here, and when I set this side by side with the new one, it's going to be a big difference. One thing to note is it curves inward like this. It kind of contours to the windshield there, and these solid plastic bits are on the top side. So I've got the 2 air filters here, and this is actually like the cabin side. If I flip it over, you guys can see the difference in color between this and this. To my knowledge, this has never been changed on this car, and you know, it's not super dirty. I could let it go for a little while longer, but it's like 8 years old, so it's probably time to get this job done. I've got this over here by my engine now, and it's gonna be a little bit hard to do this one-handed, but I'm gonna try and show you guys. We're gonna do it for the video here. We're just gonna slaughter in there, and like I was saying before, these solid pieces sit on top, and it just goes in here like this. And it's not gonna click in firmly, but you see here. But you see in here, you've got these sort of, I wouldn't call them rails, but they kind of just slide in. You'll know when you feel it. All right, so I got this in here now, and I guess one thing worth noting is down here in the middle, this plastic piece actually sits inside that, I don't know, little area. And there's also one on this side for that tab that we saw earlier, right there. That goes directly in there, and one on that side. And then it's super easy. You press your clips down like that, and it is locked in and good to go. One thing I want to note here is if you look underneath, you're gonna see these holes down here. These are water drain holes. Just go ahead and make sure that there's nothing clogging those, because you want to make sure the water drains from this. You don't want your filter to get soaked. Now, I should have mentioned this before. All the parts you need for this job are down in the description. So without further ado, we are going to go ahead and toss this air filter in. So you don't actually need the screwdriver for this job. I just think it's a handy little pry tool, because these things can kind of eat your fingers a little bit. But you just pop it in there, pop it out. And on some cars, these are a different type of fastener, but on this E83 X3, it is super easy. You just unclip them like that, and then this airbox should come right off. And you'll see it's pulling the MAF and the intake, but it all comes off just like that. And again, I'm gonna try to do this one-handed, but it's not so easy. Oh, there's already crap coming out of there. So you guys can see in there, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this out off camera, but you can see on this air filter, let's just compare these two. I mean, come on, this thing is absolutely filthy. This hasn't been changed in over 4 years and like probably 60 or 80,000 miles. So always make sure to check these before a road trip, before anything. It takes 5 seconds to undo those clips. It's always a good idea. And so I'm gonna go ahead and clean this off camera so you guys don't have to watch me do that. but we'll be back when it's nice and clean. All right, so we're back. I just vacuumed all that junk out of there. It looks a lot better now. There's a little stuff in there, but that's okay. So we're just gonna take this. You can see this one went in here like this. So the kind of the smaller, or I guess larger corner, and then the corner with a lot cut off goes like that. You really can't mess this up. It's pretty hard. Except I seem to have managed to. It goes in this way, tossed in like this, and yeah, that's it. You just want to make sure that you get a decent seal on the edges here. Like I said, I cannot implore you guys enough. This is a really easy install. It took no tools really, and 15 minutes for me to do at most. So if you enjoyed the video or you found it helpful, go ahead and leave a like or a comment. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.